Okie dokie, let's go deploy our site onto Netlify. So what do we need for that? We need a couple of things. If you haven't done so already, you need to sign up for Netlify. The process is quite straightforward. If you just go to app.netlify.com and you haven't signed up already, it will walk you through adding the Netlify app to your GitHub account. I'm already on here. I've got a lot of things on here already. So once that's configured, you will see it depending on how you've decided to configure it with GitHub. If you go to your settings, I add them in my applications here for Netlify. I have to, my password is, password here is. I have to add the sites individually here. So that's what I'm going to do now. Localhost blog, and I'm going to save that. And then this will take me through to Netlify here. We don't need to look at that right now. What we do need is a terminal. And I have already installed the Netlify CLI. Yarn, global add, Netlify CLI. And then what I need to do, what you need to do after that is Netlify login. After you've installed the CLI, saying I'm already logged in. So after that, we want to do Netlify init. And then obviously this is going to be in our directory for the project we're working on. And we want to create and configure a new site. And it's going to be your team. Give it a site name, that's optional. And the build command is yarn build. And the directory to deploy is public. No toml detected. Would you like to add one? I'd say yes, or hit enter. It's the default. Okay, cool. So it looks like that is done the job. So next steps is to git push the so if we do git status here, we'll notice that we've got git ignore has been modified and we've had a Netlify toml added. So let's take a quick look at the code. So the git ignore, I think it's just ignoring a this Netlify folder, which is the site ID on Netlify, I guess. I didn't know you didn't need to commit that. And then this toml here, which is just the commands we went through to configure it. So let's push this. So config Netlify, and we'll commit that, and we'll push it up. So you can do that with this button here, or alternately git push. Okay, and then we just hit refresh here. We'll see the latest changes 25 seconds ago, and then we should be able to go from our panel here. So that's the URL of the deployed site, I'm guessing. So if we go to this, Sad Goldberg, should see the site for it, and it looks like it is building for us. Go to the deploys tab here, and we click on this. We can see the output, the same output as what you would get for running yarn build locally. So this is going to do that for us, but on the there we go, looks like it's finished, but this will do it on the Netlify infrastructure for us. Got a worldwide CDN, and there we go. If we click that, then this is like the preview of the site. And if we go back here, and we can say in the overview and in site settings, I think we can pick out a site name. We do it here. Base directory. Let's skip past it. Site details, site name, change site name. And we'll just call this localhost blog, and then it will be, it's already given us the link here, localhost.netlify.com. So if you save that, I better hit Control S there. And now, if we take a look here, we've got settings for the localhost blog, and then if you click on this, it should take us through to our site. There you go. So what we've just gone over there is setting up the Netlify CLI, and then pushing it to production, and then giving our site a .netlify.com name. We can, once we've procured our own domain name, set up a custom domain here, and then we can start using that with Netlify, which is also great as well. But for this video, what we're going to do next, that's it for this video I think. What we're going to do next though is we're just going to validate our open graph tags we've added earlier with some validation tools, and then I think we are done for this series. So there you are, adding our site locally, well, adding our site from GitHub to Netlify and then deploying it to production in about 4 terminal commands. So that's it for this one. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.